This video provides a comprehensive lecture and analysis of the Supreme Court case Asignado versus Ombudsman, GR numbers 225,204-05. The decision, penned by Justice Samuel H. Garland, was promulgated on March 29, 2023. In this first part, we will explore the factual background of the case, focusing on the payroll remittance stoppage and the leadership dispute within the BFPM-BAI. The parties involved include the petitioners, led by F. Deere, Rogelio F. Asignado, and respondents, including the Office of the Ombudsman and F/CSUPT. Carlito S. Romero, who was then the officer in charge of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Key events began with a 2006 Memorandum of Agreement regarding payroll deductions. This was followed by a 2012 election dispute within the association, and finally, a 2013 remittance stoppage initiated by BFP-OIC Romero. Petitioners filed charges against Romero for graft and grave coercion, alleging the withholding of remittances was intended to coerce factional recognition. Romero defended the action as a protective measure, and the Ombudsman ultimately dismissed all charges, finding no corrupt motive or bad faith. In this second part, we turn to the legal doctrines established by the Supreme Court, specifically regarding jurisdictional rules and the standards for proving evident bad faith under RA 3019. The Supreme Court considered two primary issues. First, whether it can directly review administrative exonerations via Rule 65, and second, whether the Ombudsman committed grave abuse of discretion regarding the graft and coercion charges. Applying the doctrine in Josin v. Ombudsman, the court ruled that direct recourse to it is limited to criminal determinations. For administrative exonerations, the proper remedy is a petition before the Court of Appeals, meaning the Supreme Court lacked jurisdiction over the administrative aspect of this case. Regarding the graft charges under Section 3(e) of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, the court evaluated three elements: the respondent's public office, the modality of action, and the resulting injury or benefit. The court emphasized that evident bad faith requires a high evidentiary threshold, connoting a fraudulent purpose. Furthermore, there must be a corrupt motive. Romero's interpleader filing was found to be a bona fide protective measure, which effectively negated any claim of corrupt intent. In summary, the Supreme Court dismissed the administrative aspect due to lack of jurisdiction and affirmed the dismissal of the criminal charges, concluding there was no evident bad faith, no corrupt motive, and no illegal compulsion. In closing, the key takeaway is that proving evident bad faith in graft cases demands evidence of corrupt motive, and interpleader actions are recognized as valid, good faith efforts to protect funds. These are the sources for the images used in this video.